Three shocking facts about Saint-Pierre and Miquelon. The territorial overseas collectivity of Saint-Pierre and Miquelon is self-governing. The province is located near the northwestern Atlantic Ocean and is an archipelago of primarily 3 islands. With a population of about 6,000 as of the March 2016 census, they participate in senatorial and presidential elections and elect their deputy to the National Assembly. Basically, residents are considered French citizens. In today's video, we will travel to the Saint-Pierre and Miquelon Islands, where we will uncover 3 shocking facts about this group of islands. As we set the ball rolling, we encourage you to stay tuned to this channel and watch until the end. It has 1 island, that is, 2 islands. Considering this, let's dig deeper to discover the mystery surrounding this captivating fact. For a minute landmass, the archipelago of Saint-Pierre and Miquelon Islands has some geographically unique features. The island of Miquelon Landglade consists of 2 islands, divided into the northern and southern parts. A long sandy isthmus, referred to as Dune de Langlade, connects Miquelon and Landglade, which are not separate entities. With its fascinating features, this unique landmark has become a tourist attraction for visitors on the island. During the 18th century, a storm destroyed the isthmus, separating the 2 islands for several decades. The isthmus was reconstructed by currents years later, reuniting the islands. Intriguing, isn't it? Perhaps the second fact about Saint-Pierre and Miquelon will captivate you more. It was French, then English, French, then English, and eventually French again. In 1536, when Jacques Cartier claimed the islands on behalf of France, Saint-Pierre and Miquelon became French possessions. The French left the islands after the English invaded the French colonial settlements on the islands and launched numerous attacks during the wars of King William and Queen Anne. The cession of the island to Great Britain was governed by the 1713 Treaty of Utrecht. Subsequently, the island of Saint-Pierre was renamed. The 1763 Treaty of Paris placed Saint-Pierre and Miquelon back under the French colony before being ceded to the British during the French Revolutionary War. The islands were handed back to France in 1814. In 1815, the British tried to reclaim it, but France fully reclaimed it in 1816, and the islands were resettled. In essence, the British took control of the islands in 1713, 1778, 1794, 1803, and 1815, with the French reclaiming it during these periods before it eventually took control of the islands permanently in 1816. Finally, our ensuing discussion will uncover the 3rd shocking fact about Saint-Pierre and Miquelon. It was a rum runner's paradise. During the Prohibition era in the United States, Saint-Pierre and Miquelon became a central location used for the trafficking of alcohol. The region off the Canadian coast was ideal for smuggling European liquor into the United States. Traffickers established operation points on the island, resulting in a flurry of activity as diverse storage facilities were established to cater to the escalating demand for spirits. The renowned American gangster, Al Capone, was not left out, as he also utilized the islands for his illicit alcohol trafficking enterprise. Saint-Pierre and Miquelon was transformed into a business hub, which saw employment levels skyrocket at a time when the world was experiencing economic calamity. The boom period created a lasting impression, which was considered a fundamental part of their history. What a captivating story! Did you consider the 3 shocking facts about Saint-Pierre and Miquelon fascinating enough to share your insights? If you do, then you can join the conversation and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.